Hello, welcome to my shed. Very messy shed right now, but it's pretty small, so what can you do? I have something interesting for you today. We have a large box.
With the box? What was in the box?
Because
Let's open it and see what's inside. Something new from Revopoint. This is their new MetroX scanner. 4 scanning modes, so cross laser, parallel lines, full field structured light, but it can also do a kind of photogrammetry with automated turntable scanning, I believe. We need to find out about that, but let's open it up first and see what it's all about. It's the usual rather nice Revopoint packaging. Oh wow, okay, I wasn't expecting this. Check it out. Check it out. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. Right, let's see what else we got. We have pretty serious looking USB-C with a 5.5 by 2.2, I think that is. You see that on the camera? Yeah. So it looks like we're going to be tethered to a wall with this one because it looks like it requires power. But that's fine. That's not a problem. And clearly we require power because I have a socket. For people in America, this is the totally awesome British power plug with a ground, live, neutral, fused, and they're awesome to step on in the middle of the night when they're up that way. Really, really fantastic. What else? USB-C to A, same one that Revopoint have been giving us for a while. And a power brick. What is this? Let's have a look here. I don't know if you can read that. Probably not. Maybe. There we go. So I will read it to you. It is 12 volt 3 amp. Okay, that's nice and easy because potentially we can do that with USB PD. We got a teeny weeny little I've forgotten what it's called. The bust that Revopoint always give us. I got, must be 4, 5 of these now, different sizes. This one looks to be the same size as the bust that comes with Mini 2, I believe. Interesting. That gives us a good indication of the sort of sizes of objects we're probably going to be scanning. But this thing can go quite large, I believe. Okay, let's put that down, and we have a dual axis turntable. God, it was in there pretty good. There we go. And more stuff. I wonder if this is the same as the old one. Ooh, different. Okay, so this is my original well-used dual axis turntable. This one I think came with Mini. I can't remember. Some dog hair stuck to it. I use this one all the time because it's actually really good. What I've done is I've actually put more reflective markers on it than it comes with. So let's have a look at differences with the new one. Right, well, for starters, we've got more reflective markers on it, so than the old one, so that's good. But we appear to have different buttons. So we have a play, a forward and a back, whereas this one, the old one, only has a little Revopoint logo on it. So, okay, so there's same power supply by the looks of things. So, cool. Okay, what else? Okay, that's the charger for the dual axis turntable. Different adapters. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in the box. Put my old turntable over there. And let's get this out. And this, wow, quite weighty. Oh, what do we got here? Tripod. Different tripod. This one is yeah, it's different to the normal Revopoint tripods. We got a quick locking ball. That's kind of useful because we can position it and then just lock it. That's a good upgrade, which also has some 1/4 inch, yeah, tripod standard camera mounts on the side. I guess to mount it horizontally or something? I don't know. It even has some fake carbon fiber weave on the side, just a light net, so it goes faster, I guess, or handles better. I don't know. But that's quite a nice tripod. It's nicer than the and it's an extendy as well. That is actually quite a lot nicer than the ones that have come with Revopoint scanners in the past, which, to be fair, they're good enough, but I have tended not to use them because, you know, a cheap camera tripod is usually more stable. But this one I may actually use. It looks quite good. Put them back in the box. And let's close this up and have a look at what we've got here. So this is MetroX by the looks of things. It's a lot heavier than I was expecting. It's actually smaller than I was anticipating. So looks like we've got laser projectors. I'm assuming these are going to be the two sensors. I'm guessing this is blue light fill, these LEDs, and we're going to have the line projector, the not sure which is the laser projector. It's potentially that one. Well, we'll find out. But we've got a nice hand strap because we don't want to be dropping this. Buttons. I like buttons because they enable me to scan without having to mess about. So we've got a play, plus and minus. I'm guessing that's for the zoom of the depth camera, and I'm guessing M is to switch modes. That is really rather lovely. It's quite, I don't know, I can't decide whether it's smaller than I anticipated or larger. It certainly feels solid. The it feels much more, I don't know, pro, I think, premium than previous Revopoint scanners. I like that there's two bumpers here on the sides. I don't know if you can see those. That's kind of nice because it means you can put the scanner down like that without destroying the lenses on any of it. This is all rubberized. This is really nice actually. That's sort of hard plastic. I think that's going to scratch quite badly, but it's okay. And but these grit areas, these are all rubberized, which is really nice. Let's just compare it in size. I have Mini 2 here. Let me just take Mini 2 off this tripod. There's Mini 2. It's quite a lot smaller than Mini 2, and oops, and there's Mirrorco. So it's about well, a bit wider than Mirrorco. It's interesting, it actually feels, it's about the same weight as Mirrorco. Just doing that, I need to get some scales and measure this properly, but yeah, it's about the same weight as Mirrorco. I am really looking forward to doing some scans with this. Let me pop that back. So unfortunately, no scanning from me today. That will be in the next video. I will do a first scan. You'll see it, warts and all, straight away, straight out of the box, and we'll just we'll see how well it does. Revopoint stuff tends to just work, so I'm not expecting any major issues, but this is new tech. There's new tech for them. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. So thank you to Revopoint for sending this over to me for beta testing and review, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.